Hello students. So today I'm going to show you how to execute the experiments on multisim. Particularly we have three experiments to execute on this simulator package. So let us begin our discussion. First you have to go to my blog, type in gururasurampalli.blogspot.com, press enter, scroll down, you'll get a analog and digital electronics link, click over there. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you can see our first experiment is design an astable multivibrator circuit for three cases of duty cycle: 50%, less than 50%, and greater than 50% using 555 timer IC. We can do it using hardware components like 555 timer and other components. So components required, you can see, you can even connect them and work in a lab offline. But as we are working with online mode, so we'll see what are the options available with us. This is a design thing wherein I'm designing for 1 kilohertz and with a 60% duty cycle. So I'm approximating the resistors here, so that's why you may see some changes in the output value also. This is our circuit. This is our circuit, 555 timer and resistors. Here is a capacitor, and as it is in a stable mode, so there is no control over any of the cycles here, whether it is a positive cycle or a negative cycle. So it is also called free running multivibrator. So the free running will what it will do? It will make the circuit on or off, on or off, on or off. On what basis? Based on the capacitor charging. It will charge till the upper trip point of the capacitor, and it will go down to the lower trip point. Again it will go back to the upper trip point, lower trip point. You can imagine it like charging and discharging of the capacitor. Now you can see during discharging the circuit is giving us low, or you can even say binary 0 or off, you can say that also. And from for the during charging the circuit will give you high. So we can show it here live. So here it is a procedure for doing it in offline mode. We are using CRO to display all these waveforms, and here it is a theory. You can read for your knowledge. Now let me go, without wasting time, let me go with the execution of the circuit. Just click here to simulate the circuit. So you will be directed to the Multisim website, where I designed already the circuit according to the design. It will be ready for you to execute. You can create your account on Multisim. With your account also you can design the things. But for meanwhile, you can see this is my circuit. You can execute this circuit. You can take the readings also. So this is a circuit what I connected, all the components. You can see the values what we have designed, everything. So this is your 555 timer, and components can be taken from the search. Like if you type just 555, it will give you the 555 timer. Just drag and drop. It is also called a workbench. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll try to understand how it works. So it is like a play button, run simulation. Just click here. Your simulator will run online, and this can be executed on your mobile, laptop, any device. So you can see the graph generated from the circuit. You can pause it or stop it to take the reading. You can see during discharging, the output is getting low. During charging, it is taking high. So high and low are possible here because of charging and discharging operation of the capacitor. You can see both circuit and waveforms at a time by clicking on the split, and even you can see manually the voltages. So let us concentrate on the grapher. Here you can see C1 and C2. If you drag them, okay, you can even measure the time periods. Okay, so hope you understood this one and execute the same program. If you have any queries, you can put a comment. Thank you.